Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to add friend or unfriend someone on Facebook. So for this, let's open the app. On the top, we have this search icon. So go to search bar and search for their ID. So once you search for their ID, then open it. So I'm just searching for a random person here and I will open their profile. As you open them, there we have add friend option. So a request will send to them. Once they approve them, then they will be added as friend with you. Now if you want to unfriend someone, so for that go back and click on the menu on the top right corner. From here, go to your profile and scroll down. There you will find friends option in left side. Click on it. So there you will find all the friends. So choose the one whom you want to unfriend. So I will go with for an example here. I want to unfriend this person here. So click on friends and now click on unfriend at the end. Now again click on confirm and now this person is unfriend. In this way you can unfriend someone on Facebook. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.